In this video, we're going to discuss making timelines. Timelines are a great way to display a sequence of events that may not be chronologically represented in the documents you're analyzing. Timelines created in QDA Miner can be organized to display events on the top, or the bottom, or on both sides of the horizontal dateline. Scrolling over labels gives you more information about each event. You can even zoom in on a section of the timeline you find interesting. Let's take a look at how to create a timeline. Our project contains 7 cases about Ted Kaczynski, the Unabomber. In order to create a timeline, your text must contain timestamp or range links. To add a timestamp or range link, either select the code you want to add a link to, or highlight the text you want to link to, right-click, select Hyperlink, and create. There are 6 types of links available. You can link to a web page, a file on your computer system or available on your network, a geographic location, a timestamp or time range, another case, or text or a coded segment. In our case, we're interested in timestamp or range. Enter a short description of the event in the label field. Enter the date of the event. If you have a range, be sure to select the checkbox and enter the date the event finished. In our case, we just have a timestamp, not a date range. Below, you can add a description of the event, such as the reason the link was created. If you want to add an icon, you can do so by choosing from the Google icons, or you can import custom icons to choose from. Once you're done, select OK. You can also set a timestamp or label when you create a geographic link. Geographic links will be discussed in detail in another video. Once you've created a number of timestamps and you're ready to create your timeline, you must start by retrieving your links. Select Retrieve and scroll down to List Hyperlinks. Choose the document variables you want to retrieve from and what they're attached to, text, code marks, or both. Then choose the types of links you'd like to retrieve. In our case, we're interested in both geographic location links and date and time. You also have a number of other conditions that can be set, like retrieving a link for only the current case. Please have a look at these in the user guide for greater detail. You can add a coded segment, a comment, or variables to the search hits if you wish. Your search hits are displayed on a table. And here we can see our timestamp or range. Select the Timeline button at the top right. Here you can change the date format, put in a start date only, or the entire time range with a start and end date, and decide how you want to annotate your comment. And here we have our timeline.